In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate workflows in Asana using AI 5 minutes. We'll go from logging in to opening a project to using Asana's AI Studio to build a smart rule that handles the busy work for you. Follow along on your own screen and I'll point out a few tips to keep everything smooth. Start by heading to the Asana login page in your browser. Enter the email address you use for your Asana account and continue. On the next screen, type your password and log in. If your organization uses single sign-on or two-factor authentication, complete those prompts as usual. Once you're in, you'll land on your Asana homepage where you can see your recent projects and tasks. Open the project where you want automation to run. Pick a project that has repeatable steps like assigning reviewers or updating statuses, so the rule will save you time right away. Inside the project, look toward the top right and click Customize. This panel is where you manage fields, forms, and importantly, rules. Rules let you set up when this happens, do that logic so your team doesn't have to remember every small step. Click Add to create your own rules, then choose Rule. Next, select Create with AI Studio. This is where the magic happens. Instead of manually building every trigger and action, you'll describe your workflow in plain language. Be specific and include the trigger, the action, and any conditions. For example, you might say, when a task is moved to in review, assign it to the reviewer, add the priority field, and post a comment summarizing the task. Clear phrasing helps the AI build exactly what you need. Asana's AI will convert your prompt into triggers, conditions, and actions. It can even handle advanced logic, like summarizing a task's description or extracting key details into custom fields. Review what the AI proposes. If something looks off, refine your description to adjust the behavior. You can also prompt the AI to evaluate task details, such as determining priority from the description or routing tasks based on keywords. This is especially useful for triage or QA workflows. When everything looks right, click Publish Rule. Give the rule a clear name so your teammates understand what it does. From now on, the rule will run automatically whenever the trigger conditions are met. If you ever need to tweak it, return to Customize in the same project to adjust or disable it. That's it. You've just used Asana's AI Studio to turn a plain language idea into a working automation that keeps your project moving without manual effort.